Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that your Nokia 5 from 2017 is running slowly or freezing. So yeah, on the phone that has 8 years now in 2025, with 2 GB of RAM, the Nokia 5 can become sluggish or freeze during heavy use. And before this whole video, I want to tell you that this phone is old and I do not recommend using this device in 2025 because of the 2 GB of RAM and old processor, and your device will be lagging or running slowly because of the outdated specs. So let's get started with this video. At first, I recommend to close the background applications on your phone. We will have to tap on this button here, which I don't know why we don't see. It's over here. Here, as I can see, I don't have no recent items. But if I open, for example, Google Chrome, we will have it. Wait a moment. Let it boot. We'll have it here. Oh my goodness. We'll have Play Store here, as you can see, and we can remove this application from the background apps using here and clear all. Avoid running too many applications at once, because if you use the app switcher to swipe apps away, you're nothing to free up RAM. Nokia's 5 limited memory means multitasking heavily will cause shutdowns and app crashes, and you might experience it a lot. Disable or install heavy applications. So search on your phone for applications such like games or something like that. They are heavy and they may just lag your phone, freeze your phone, and they may just consume a lot of RAM and CPU, etc. Maybe Facebook, TikTok. Think about uninstalling these applications. And of course, we have these light versions of the applications. For example, Facebook Lite, TikTok Lite, I think that there is something like that, Instagram Lite, and consider using these applications. For example, using this application will decrease RAM usage. Yeah, that's all about the applications actually. Apart from that, you can clear cache data, periodically clear cache data for applications that have grown large. For example, if you have some drafts recorded on TikTok, you can just delete them. At first, we need to enter settings, and here we have to enter apps and notifications. Let me lower the brightness level so that you can see something on the screen. Here we can enter, for example, Chrome, and here storage. Here we can tap clear cache to clear all the unnecessary items that are in the Chrome now. This can free memory and storage, potentially improving speed. Just note that caches will rebuild with use. So have that in mind, that you have to clear your cache in your applications regularly. For example, after a week, 2 weeks, month. It depends on your usage. Apart from that, you can update your phone and reboot regularly. Of course, this type of phone, which is old, won't receive updates. But if you don't have the latest update your phone to the Android 9, which is the Android 9 Pie. Update your phone, and it will optimize it, and reboot your phone regularly. To do so, you just have to hold the power button here and tap restart. It will re-optimize your phone, clear some unnecessary items, etc. And your phone will be just clearer. The same we are doing with the PCs, of course, with the tablets, with any electronic device that we use, because it's more optimized then. Apart from that, I do recommend to use a lightweight launcher. If you might have known that we have some interfaces that we can download from the Google Play Store, and here we can just have another Android interface on our phone, but it will be more optimized, for example, clearer, etc. As I remember, we have Nova launcher, which is very nice and well optimized for our phone. I think that the Android One we have on our Nokia phone may feel laggy. I will show you in a moment when our phone boots up the best Android launcher for me. Of course, you will have another just different interface, and if you want to uninstall it back again, you can just do it. It's not that difficult. So at first we need to enter the Play Store and update Google Play services. Wait a moment, I will be right back. I am right back, and now we can enter the search bar, which is at the top of our screen. Here we have to search for some launcher, so I do recommend downloading the Nova launcher. Let me just type Nova launcher, and which is here, Nova launcher. We just have to tap install and set it as a default launcher in our phone. We'll have an alert if you want to use the Nova launcher defaultly. We have to say yes. And at the final step, I do recommend to do a factory reset of your device. If you do a backup, you won't lose your data, but if you don't do the backup, you will lose all your data. So yeah, you might do a backup and backup your data on your phone, but of course you will have all the necessary things then. So I do recommend to clear all your phone, all the files that are here, by entering the settings, scrolling all the way down to system and tapping advanced. Here, as you can see, we can tap backup and do our backup on the Google and we're in our cloud, but we can go back and tap reset options and tap erase all data. I do recommend doing the factory reset on our phone because it will clear all the unnecessary files. We can move our data to our cloud and store them there, and with the all new brand new phone we can enjoy for a moment, of course, well, not for a long period of time, much faster phone. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you have some questions, ask them in the comments below. If you have some drawbacks to my opinion or something like that, you can tell me too. I will note that. And yeah, hope it helped you, and hope your Nokia 5 now is much faster. That's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.